Revolutionize your pickup truck experience with TechCode TV's spotlight on innovative inventions for a pickup truck that you should know about. Today, we're exploring a range of cutting-edge innovations designed to enhance the performance, functionality, and comfort of your trusty pickup. From clever storage solutions to high-tech accessories, these inventions are sure to take your truck to the next level. Join us as we uncover the latest advancements that will make your pickup truck the envy of the road. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily driver, these inventions are a must-have for any pickup enthusiast. Introducing Rover King, the innovative camping system designed to transform vehicles like the Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma into comfortable campers. Rover King, showcased here on the truck bed, is a lightweight system, with the basic version weighing less than 300 kilograms. Despite its compact size, it offers sleeping space for 3 to 4 people and includes a dining area. With thermal insulation, Rover King allows for year-round vacations. The optional premium package adds features like a solar panel, LED lighting, USB ports, and more. The basic version of Rover King is available for $15,400. For those who enjoy transporting boats, kayaks, and other cargo, Loaded offers a range of lifts designed to make loading easier. These lifts can handle various loads, including aluminum boats with outboard motors, with the top-of-the-line model supporting up to 1,134 kilograms. Loaded also offers custom lift solutions to meet specific preferences and requirements. Enhancing storage solutions for truck beds, Decked introduces its weather-resistant drawer system. Built to withstand any weather condition, Decked allows you to wash your bike on its surface while keeping the items inside dry and clean. With a total load capacity of 97 kilograms, this system ensures secure storage. The Decked drawer system is priced at $1,500. Solving the challenge of loading and unloading wheelchairs and scooters, the Bruno Outrider offers a convenient solution. This lift features a mini crane installed in the car capable of supporting up to 159 kilograms. Easy-to-use controls enable one person to operate the lift, and its modular design allows for easy transfer to another vehicle. The Bruno P1100 model is priced at $4,990. Introducing the Marlin Explorer EUSXS Deck, the ultimate cargo platform designed for pickup trucks and ATV owners. These SXS cargo platforms are engineered to carry equipment up to 4.2 meters long and 1.9 meters wide, making them ideal for hauling large loads. With a high payload capacity, the SXS2 versions can support up to 1,293 kilograms. Marlin has optimized these platforms to provide a seamless experience, allowing riders to feel the moment when the ATV is in the perfect position. The SXS2 platform is priced at $3,300. Boxtamer offers a convenient solution for dividing the cargo bed of your pickup truck into sections. Designed to fit any pickup on the market, installation is simple. Place the divider, adjust the width, and secure it in place. When folded, the Boxtamer measures 115.5 centimeters long. This practical divider is priced at $112. Need more space on your pickup truck platform? The Tango system provides the solution. Its cover not only protects the platform, but also acts as an additional floor for your belongings. Mounted without drilling, Tango can be paired with various accessories to securely hold bicycles or fishing rods. The Ford Ranger version is priced at $11. For Jeep Wrangler owners looking for practical storage solutions, XG Cargo offers a selection of bags designed to keep everything tidy while occupying minimal space. The XG Cargo Gamma bags attach to the roll bar, with each bag capable of holding up to 5.4 kilograms. Made of nylon, these bags are easy to clean even after extreme off-road adventures. Priced at $190, each bag of the Gamma model is a versatile and durable storage solution. Black Armor bed mats are not just ordinary accessories for pickup truck owners. Made from recycled tires, these mats inspire drivers to push the limits of what's possible while offering practical benefits. They don't absorb water, produce odors, and are easy to clean. With a thickness of 1.2 centimeters, these mats combine strength and flexibility. Choose between a universal mat measuring 1.5 x 1.9 meters or a model designed for a specific make and model of car. Each mat costs approximately $330. Introducing Bedlock, the first patented adjustable divider system for pickups. Created to optimize truck bed space, Bedlock offers a simple yet ingenious solution for organizing cargo. Special tiles are installed on the bed surface with attached spacers that can be easily adjusted to accommodate various loads, from gas cylinders to toolboxes. Initially offered for a 1.7 meter truck bed at $400, Bedlock has since transitioned to made-to-order production, with the price now set at $499. For pickups aspiring to be dump trucks, Visi Dumper offers a range of transformation options. With various versions available, the common theme is the conversion of the pickup into a dump truck. One model can handle a maximum payload of 2.7 tons and fits pickups with a cargo bed length of up to 2.4 meters. Visi Dumper provides an extra set of tail lights, along with labor and other consumables, included in the upgrade package, priced at approximately $464. Looking to enhance your pickup's aerodynamics? MVAS recommends the Aero X cap, designed to improve airflow and reduce drag. The cap attaches to the pickup's cargo box for easy opening, thanks to gas shocks. For an additional cost, buyers can opt for a rear spoiler or a built-in sound system. Initially introduced for the Ford F-150, the Aero X is available for $7,500 with plans for versions compatible with Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan pickups in the future. Transform your pickup's bed with smoke racks, adding massive exhaust pipes for a rugged and unique aesthetic. With individual elements exceeding 20 centimeters in diameter, these racks make a bold statement. Crafted with precision, one craftsman even used a drain pipe to create this distinctive feature. For pickups transitioning from city streets to farm fields, the C5 manufacturing rancher bale bed offers practical utility. Designed to assist farmers in transporting multiple hay bales simultaneously, the rancher bale bed features an updated drive unit that's 12% faster than previous models. The grapple movements are automatically synchronized, allowing for efficient loading and unloading of bales. As we wrap up our showcase of pickup truck inventions, it's clear that innovation knows no bounds when it comes to enhancing your ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about these amazing truck inventions. Stay tuned to Tech Code TV for more thrilling updates on the latest innovations in automotive technology.